Today, I'm going to show you how to share a screen on the platform Zoom. Let's do this.
Mini producer.
Hey, welcome. This is Charles Diggs, and welcome to my channel where it's business for the regular guy. Thank you for coming to my channel, and this is your first time tuning in. Why don't you like and subscribe to my channel? This is where I talk about different tips and tricks and different things about business that will help the newbie succeed online. So let's go ahead and start. We're going to talk about how to share on the platform Zoom. It's very easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Once you share your screen, okay, a series of windows will pop up for you to share. But you got to make sure that the website that you want to share is up in one of your windows, okay? And so once you do that, Zoom will pick it up, okay? And you can click onto it. Click onto it, and then you can share it. You can share it to the participants that are on the group itself, okay? Well, that's how you share a screen on the platform Zoom. That was just a little tutorial right there, very simple, nothing heavy, nothing complex, right? So, but I thank you. Thank you for tuning in today on my channel. I really appreciate that. That's it. Thank you, and God bless, and I'm out.